All right, starting daily vlogs. If you're new, I'm having a little bit of an issue. I don't know if it's like depression or mental or whatever, but I've been on the diet for lifestyle for 3 weeks, restarting it. I feel like the need to cheat. And so I'm just going to do daily vlogs to be accountable to somebody, which is you guys. But anyway, y'all know that I've been using a scale, and my problem is it died on me. And it wasn't like it. I know in some of the pictures you can see some of it's clear, some of it's not. It was just kind of slowly fading. And I even tried to change out the batteries. I already figured that out, but no, it didn't work. So I had to quickly order a new one. And so this morning, because I think, what was it, 179.6 or 4 or whatever on Friday. And then I weighed myself this morning and I weighed this with the new scale. But here's the new scale, and it's got like this, it's like a fit index thing. And you can actually use an app, and it's got, it records your weight and records like body fat and stuff. I'm assuming it's just like on an assumption basis because there's no way you can figure that out. But anyway, I'm also gonna say my sister's the devil and she watches my stuff. So, hey girl, but okay, we watch QVC Christmas in July, all right? Well, I already got one package yesterday. And then she was telling me, watch, because our favorite girl is on, Valerie. And I tell you, within 5 seconds, I ordered this. Then I watched further and ordered this. Then this. And I think something else. Devil. Also, a couple of days ago, see, I drink Mio, which is not really the greatest because it does have sucralose, but sucralose doesn't bother me. But if it bothers you, no. But anyway, so I drink Mio and I drink the caffeinated ones. Let me show you. These. And then at night I have these. So probably not the greatest thing you should do. Anyway, so I was drinking these and I think I had too much caffeine because like my heart started to beat quite a bit more and it was almost concerning. Anyway, gotta go outside and she's gonna go do her business. Look at my lawn, it's so bad. I ordered grass from my lawn guy, but because Texas is having such issues with weather, it's gonna be like forever before my grass gets in. So I'm looking at a desert. So while I'm out here, I think I'm gonna show you guys a 1-ingredient mozzarella stick. Okay, so hear me out. So I was out here the other day and there was like 3 or 4 squirrels right here, right? And then I see one look over at a tree that's behind this fence. I don't know if you can see it. And the squirrel was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm like, yeah, go little man, you can do it. He takes one flying leap and all I hear is a thud of the leaves back there. I died, it was funny. To that point about the daily vlogs, I'm still gonna do the weekend, the Friday report. Getting my purse. So there's that. Y'all, I had to stop at the gas station. I didn't know they had a birthday cake bash. Okay, to be honest, I don't know if these are totally great ingredients here. Whatever. Yay.
Marshmallow! Marshmallow! Oh, bye! Hi, honey! Hi, baby. Okay.
Get your wet nose off my fingers.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so mad if I have $3 or $2 and I can't buy it. Dang it! I have a plan.
Well, it's not gonna work.
No, I don't think so. All right, got my salad and my jalapeno ranch. I got some guacamole and an extra cracked egg. That was a good salad. Now we're getting back to the game.
Oh, she likes chips. She's not cheap. She's not keto. She can have some.
Crap.
We just need to hurry up with this game, Daddy.
You got that right.
Daddy's dying on there in the chair.
35 points. 35 points.
62.
81.
That ain't gonna happen anymore.
Okay, so I just got back, and before I show you this one ingredient mozzarella stick that I was telling y'all about, I got home and for some reason I feel like I need sweets. So I did make myself some of this salted caramel stuff that I bought the other day. I don't put a whole lot of water in there just so I can put some heavy whipping cream. All right, let me see. Oh my goodness. That's like salted caramel tres leches cake. Okay, some of y'all might have already known this, but a lot of you don't. Do you guys know what bread cheese is? Okay, so Big Moo doesn't really, I can't remember, I think it's like Havarti, or not Havarti, I can't remember what it's called, but just look up bread cheese. Okay, look, see, all you do is add heat, no oil required. So let me cut this up for a second. And this one is purposely roasted garlic. I did it specifically for the mozzarella stick sort of vibe. So one of these sticks is gonna be 100 calories and less than 1 carb. But so, I mean, you really gotta want it, or like cut it way, way smaller to get the most out of it. But if you're looking for reduced calories, this probably ain't it. But if you are craving mozzarella sticks, I'm just gonna show you how. Okay, have my 2 little sticks. I have it on medium-low heat. Problem is, these are already brown, so you never know when you need to turn them. So then Bonnie realizes, you know what, probably the skillet isn't that, it's been so long since I've done this thing, just slap it in the microwave. You know, I should really test these out before I do the filming, but I don't. All right, see? I mean, okay, microwave, I forgot. Just so y'all know, I have this, which is a pizza sauce, and it doesn't have any sugar in there besides the natural sugar from the tomato. So I wanna go ahead, give it a little shot, and this is roasted garlic in there, so it should be really good. It doesn't have the crunch like a mozzarella stick, no. Who cares? This tastes like any sort of pizza chain cheesy bread. Okay, note, I just tried to just microwave these on their own. It didn't work. They got super melty. So you do have to put them in the skillet and then put them in the microwave. So put it in the skillet for a very small amount of time and then put it in the microwave for 10 seconds, if that. Okay, so a couple more things. One, I'm also gonna do a 1 week of no spending any money. And I already told my mom this earlier. Okay. Anyway, I already told my mom earlier that I was gonna do it, but I was like, but I'm gonna start tomorrow. And I'm so glad that I did, because I was just like, well, I'm gonna start to watch Bailey Sarian videos, which if you haven't seen her and you're into like Datelines and stuff, her murder mystery makeup Mondays are fantastic. I started watching one of her videos and she had this fantastic pajama set on. And I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go buy one of those from her. But she didn't have it on there. So I was like, you know, Amazon does. So I bought it. Good thing it's not tomorrow. Also, my parents and I are gonna do a little get together for July 4th. So tomorrow, I'm either gonna do one of 2 things. I'm either gonna do my vanilla pound cake or I'm gonna do my bacon cheeseburger dip. Tune in tomorrow to find out which one I do. Anything else I need to say? No, I think I've bored y'all enough. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.